guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Recool Hair, and they sent me this 613 wig. I think this was a 24-inch transparent lace body wave 613 wig. It felt like a 180% density. I don't think it was any thicker than that because it wasn't really thick. But yeah, they wanted me to specifically keep the 613 color, and I didn't really want to do that, but I was just like, you know what, since I'm gonna keep it, I might as well just do something that's going to make it look a little bit more, natural, because 613 here with the yellow tone sometimes does not look nice. So I decided to do the roots method, like just as though I did it on my blue wig that I had. I'll put the link somewhere on the screen, but it's pretty much just using honey brown, Adore hair color in some conditioner, mixing it until it turns like this brownish greenish color, and then you put it on the knots of the wig and you pretty much just dye it so it looks more brownish or tannish as opposed to that white color that it has, which, or scalp, like our roots are not like, it doesn't look nice like that for me, especially on colored skin tone. Like, it's better to just dye the knots because it actually looks a way better, and it looks way better, I should say, and it looks more natural to me. So yeah, all I did was just mix it, and I place it on the wig just as though I would do if I was bleaching the knots on a wig, and I just left it on for like 5 minutes, rinse it out, and yeah, that's all I did. So let's just jump to the installation of the video, and then you guys will see like how this came out. Guys, I'm telling you, this is literally a game changer. Like, look how much of a scalp the hair looks. Honestly, I will never go back to doing my 613 hair normal, like never. Anyways, I'm going to just go ahead and install this wig. I don't really have to say much. If I think I have anything to say, like if I have anything different that I did, then I'll probably explain it. But for now, it's pretty much the norm. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I install this wig.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given. Oh my, I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the top. So you lure me dancing like crazy.
Okay guys, so I just wanted to stop just to show you guys, like, it actually makes a difference. This is not an HD lace, by the way. It's just regular transparent lace, which I've done transparent 613 lace before, and it did not look like this. Okay, like, look how this looks like it's going from my scalp. Like, look at this. I'm telling you, this is literally a game changer. Well, don't mind right here, because this was where the elastic band was tied, so it left that mark on my head, on my forehead. But like, seriously, this is crazy. Why haven't I thought about this from a long time ago? I will never be doing colored or 613 hair without this method ever again, because it actually makes a difference.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given. Oh my, I'm drowning in you crystallize. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the top. So you lure me dancing like crazy. I wouldn't mind it all. got